Let us observe the first question. Find the value of x in 1 by 9 is to x is as 1 by 3 is to 4. So, in these four terms, okay, these two are set with the means and these are set without extremes. So, we know the formula, that is product of extremes is equals to product of means. By this 1 by 9, product of extremes means what? First term and last term. That means 1 by 9 into 1 by 4. That gives you means, product of means x into 1 by 3. So, this can be written as 1 by 36 is equals to x by 3, and transposing this 3 to other hand of the equation, it becomes a numerator. 3 by 36 is equals to x, 3 1 the 3, 3 12. So, x is equals to what? 1 by 12. That is of second option, it's the correct one. Now, the first, second, and fourth terms of the proportion are given as 36, 81, 63 respectively. Find the third one. Okay. So, in the proportion, we have four terms. Out of four terms, we know the first term as a 36, second term as a 81, and we don't know the third term, but we know the fourth term as a 63. As we don't know third term, I'm supposing the third term as an x. Now, again, by using a product of extremes is equals to product of means. Okay, so 36 into 63 can be written as 81 into x. From this, x is equals to 36 into 63 by 81. So, this can be cancelled by 9 table. Okay, 9 4 the 36, 9 9 the 81, 9 1 the 9, 9 7 the 7 4 the, that is 28. So, x value is what? 28. Fourth option is the correct one for this question. Okay, now let us go ahead with the third question. The first, second, and fourth terms of proportion are 5, 15, and 90 respectively. Find the third term. So, first term is 5 and second term is 15. As we don't know the third term in the proportion, I'm supposing as x, and fourth term is 90. So, we need to find out a third term. So, product of extremes is equals to product of means. By using this, we can write it as 5 into 90 is equals to 15 into x. To get a value of x, this 15 we need to transpose to other hand. So, 5 into 90 by 15, 15 1 the 15 6 are 5 6 are 30. So, x value is what? 30. So, first option is the correct one in this case. Okay. Now, let us see this next question. Find the fourth proportion of 4, 7, and 20. So, in this, we know the first proportional, second proportional, and third proportional. Fourth proportional, we don't know. Let fourth proportional be as x. So, 4 is to 7 is as third proportional is what? 20 is to fourth proportional, we don't know. That we can suppose as x. Now, by using the formula, that product of extremes is equal to product of means, we can write product of extremes as a 4 into x, that is equals to 7 into 20. From this, x is equals to 7 into 20 by 4, 4 1 are 4 5 are. So, x is equals to what? 7 5 are 35. Fourth option is the correct one in this case. Okay, now let us see this fifth question. Find the mean proportion of 2 by 3 and 8 by 27. Sir, what is mean by mean proportion? Means if A is to B is as B is to C, then here this B is known as an mean proportion. So, by using this formula of product of extremes is equal to product of means, we can write that A into C, product of extremes is equals to A into C is equals to B into B. So, from this, B square is equals to A into C. So, this is the formula of mean proportion. With the help of this, we can find out a B. B is known as a mean proportion. It means 2 by 3 is to X is as X is to 8 by 27. Then again by using product of extremes is equals to product of means. So, x into x is equals to 2 by 3 into 8 by 27. So, x square can be written as 2 8 are 16 by 3 into 27, that is 81. From this, x is equals to square root of 16 by 81. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 81 is 9. So, answer is what? 4 by 9. That means second and third proportion. That is nothing but mean proportional of this given number is 4 by 9. So, second option is the correct one in this case. Okay. Now, let us go ahead with the next question. Okay. So, find the third proportion. What is meant by third proportional? If A is to B is as B is to C, in this proportional, we know the second and third terms are equal, and this fourth term, whatever fourth term is there, that is known as a third proportional. That is known as a third proportional. For this, what formula that we have? Product of extremes is equal to product of means. By this, third proportional C will be obtained by mean proportional square by A. So here, what is mean proportional? 36. So for third proportional will be obtained by 36 into 36 by 16. By doing so, you get a third proportional. Both are divisible by 4, 4 9s are 4 4s are 4 1s are 4 9s are. So third proportional will be obtained as a 9 9s are 81. That is the third option is the correct one. Okay. Now let us see this next question. Let us see the next question. The ratio of the third proportional to the 21 and 42 and mean proportional to 16 and 49. Okay, మనకు ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి? We should find out a ratio between the third proportional of these two numbers and mean proportional of these two numbers. That means what? If you find out third proportional of these two numbers, you will get one number. And if you find out mean proportional of these two numbers, you will get another number. That is the second. And though we should find out a ratio between these two numbers. Okay, do you all understand? So firstly, let us try to find out the third proportional of this one. So 21 and 42. For this third proportional, we are asked to find out means 21 is to 42 is as 42 is to third proportional. If I suppose I x by using the product of extremes is equal to product of means, you can write 21 into x is equal to 42 into 42. From this, x is equal to 42 into 42 by 21. 21 1 the 21 2 the. So x is equal to 2 into 42, that is 84. Okay, we got a third proportional of these two numbers, we got as an 84. And what else we need to find out? We need to find out a mean proportional. Mean proportional means what? This is first term and this is third proportional, and second and third terms are equal. That means that equal terms that we are asked to find out. So if I suppose those equal terms as an x, so from these we can write a product of means, that is x square is equal to 16 into 49. If I suppose it's a y, to avoid the confusion. So y square is equal to 16 into 9, 49. So y is equal to square root of 16 into 49. Square root of 16 is 4 and 7. That is y is equal to 28. What we are asked to find out? We are asked to find out a ratio between these two numbers. That is ratio between 84 and 28. So both are divisible by 7 table. Okay, 7 12 the 7 4 the 4 1 the 4 3 the. So required ratio is what? 3 is to 1. That is the first option is the correct one. Okay. The age of Chendi and Radhika are in the ratio 5 is to 3. If Chendi's age is 20 years, then find the age of Radhika. Okay. So we have given the ratio between the Chendi's and Radhika's age as a 5 is to 3. So from the ratio terms, Chendi's age we can suppose the multiple of 5, that is 5x. Radhika's age as a multiple of 3, that is 3x. From the question, they have given the age of Chandis as a 20. That means this 5x value given as a 20. So from this, x is equals to 20 by 5, 5 ones 5, 4. So x is equals to 4 we got. Now what we are asking to find out? We are asking to find out age of Radhika's. Radhika's age we suppose as a 3x. Radhika's age we suppose as a 3x means 3 into 4. That is 12. So first option will be the correct one for this question. Let us see the next question. The ratio of the length to width of a rectangular sheet is given as a 5 is to 3. If the width of the sheet is 18 centimeter, find its length. Okay, here we have given that the ratio between the length to width of the rectangular sheet is given as a 5 is to 3. From the ratio terms, length we can suppose as a multiple of 5, that is 5x. Width we can suppose as a multiple of 3 as a 3x. And as per the question, width given as a 18 centimeters, that means this 3x represents 18. From this, x is equal to 18 by 3, that is x value will be obtained as a 6. X value we got as a 6. Now what we are asked to find out? We are asked to find out a length. As per the ratio terms, length as a 5x. So 5 into 6, that is 30. That is the first option is the correct one for this question. Okay. Now let us see this last problem in this video. Okay. The ratio between the number of men and women in the office are given as an 5 is to 7. If the number of women working in the office is 56, then we are asked to find out number of men. Okay, so we have given that ratio between the number of men to women as a 5:7. So from the ratio terms, we can suppose that number of men as a multiple of 5 as a 5x, and number of women we can suppose a multiple of 7, that is 7x. But from the question, we have given that number of women as a 56, that is nothing but 7x represents the 56. From this, x is equals to 56 by 7, 7 1 the 7 8. So x value we got as an 8 we got. Now what we are asked to find out number of men. Number of men we assume as an 5x, that is 5 into 8, that is 40. So how many men are there in that? 40 men are there. So second option is the correct one.